A very good afternoon. A warm welcome to my respected teachers, lovable seniors, and dear classmates. We are second year BSc Nursing Group B student. We are going to show a project on air pollution. As we all know, nowadays air pollution is a great problem to us. We will try to show its types, sources, effects, acts, and the most important part is prevention. Before that, meet our group members. At first, Sinjini, our first presenter, then Sulochana, second presenter, Suraya, third presenter, Farhana, fourth presenter, then Hasnuhana, screen presenter, myself, Ishani, as executor, and the rest of the members are Jasmine, Kulsum, Sahina, Sumaita, Afsana, Aisha, Fatema, Ashrafun Nesha, Somaya, and Salema. Now I am introducing our first presenter, Sinjini. She will discuss about the definitions and the types of air pollution.
Good afternoon to our respected teachers, dear seniors and classmates. Today we are going to present a project on air pollution. Before that, please let us know that the screen is visible or not.
Yes, visible.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. So at first we have to know that what is air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of particulates, biological molecules, or other harmful materials into Earth's atmosphere, causing diseases, death to human, and damage to other living organisms. There are mainly two types of air pollution. One is man-made air pollution, and the another one is natural air pollution. Man-made air pollution is the air pollution due to human activities, such as domestic, industrial, and vehicular activities. Indoor air pollution results from the burning of crop waste, dung, and coal. The main industrial processes that emits pollutants are the combustion of fuel oil and natural gases. Passenger vehicles are a major pollution contributor, producing significant amount of carbon monoxide gas. The natural air pollutants include radon, fog, ozone, ash soot, volcanic eruption, and combustion of gases. And volcanic eruption occurs when hot material are thrown out of a volcano. Eruption and fire also produces carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in large amount. Dust storm arises when a strong wind blows loose sand. We have made a very short video with Sahina's recitation in this topic. Please watch the video.
পৃথিবী জুড়ে চলছে দূষণ, মরছে তাই গরিব কৃষাণ। আজ মানুষ কঠিন পাষাণ, বাড়ে যে তাই পৃথিবী দূষণ। পৃথিবী জুড়ে হয় সম্মিলন, ওজোন স্তরে চাই যে মলম। করছে দূষণ তাই তো রোদ, বাড়াতে হবে বুদ্ধিবোধ।
Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Air is something that we cannot survive without. That means no one can live without air. We all want fresh air to inhale for a healthy lungs, healthy heart, overall to get a healthy life. So we have to know about the different sources and the dangerous effects of air pollution. Now I am introducing our second presenter, Sulochana. She will discuss about it in details.
Now, come to the sources of air pollution. There are mainly four sources of air pollution. Number one is burning of fossil fuel. Number two is agricultural activities. Number three is mining operation. And the last one, number four, is exhaust from factories and industries. At first, burning of fossil fuel. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the burning of fossil fuel like coal, petroleum and natural gases is one of the major cause of air pollution. Pollutant emitting from vehicles cause immense amount of pollution. Carbon monoxide released by incomplete combustion and generally emitted from vehicles. The second one is agricultural activities. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from agricultural site and is very hazardous gases in atmosphere. Insecticides and pesticides used in field emit harmful chemicals into the air. Next, the third one is mining operation. During the extraction of valuable minerals, dust released in the air caused massive air pollution. Coal also contains methane, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming, is also released during mining. Now, the fourth one or the last one is exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industries release large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon and chemicals into the air. Petroleum refiners also release hydrocarbon that pollute the air. Power plants emit high level of carbon monoxide. Now, give a look to effects of air pollution. Number 1. In human being, it reduces lung function and energy level. It also causes asthma, coughing, wheezing and bronchitis. Number 2 is acid rain is a very common effect of air pollution. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides are released into the air from factories. This substance can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen and other chemicals and produce acidic pollutant known as acid rain. Acid rain can destroy fishes and other water living organisms. Excessive UV ray may cause skin cancer in human and animal both. Number 3. In plants, air pollution can damage the leaves of trees. Necrosis, chlorosis, epinesti can happen. Growth retardation of plant is a very common effect of air pollution. Number 4. In property, acid rain can also fade metal soiling, building surface and deterioration of monument. We have made a little drama in this topic by Sinjini and me. Please watch.
আরে আরে থামুন, আপনি কি করছেন?
কি আবার করবো, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন না বাজি পড়েছি।
হ্যাঁ, সে তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছি, কিন্তু এটা তো পরিবেশের জন্য ক্ষতিকর।
আরে দিদি, আপনি কে বলুন তো, তখন থেকে এসে জ্ঞান দিচ্ছেন।
শোনো ভাই, এই বাজির ধোঁয়ায় থাকা কার্বন মনোক্সাইড আর সালফার ডাইঅক্সাইডের মতো ক্ষতিকারক গ্যাসগুলো আমাদের বায়ুমণ্ডলকে দূষিত করে। আর বায়ুমণ্ডল এই যে দূষিত বায়ু তোমার শরীরে যাচ্ছে শ্বাস প্রশ্বাসের মাধ্যমে, এর ফলে তোমার ফুসফুসের ক্ষতি হচ্ছে, যার ফলে অ্যাজমা, ব্রঙ্কাইটিসের মতো ভয়ানক রোগ সৃষ্টি হতে পারে।
হ্যাঁ দিদি, আজ অনেক কিছু শিখলাম, আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আমি আর বাজি পোড়াবো না, আর কেউ পোড়ালে বারণ করবো।
তাহলে আজ থেকে আর পোড়াবো না বাজি, আমরা পরিবেশ রক্ষায় রাজি।
Okay, so from that part, we all have learned that air pollution can be a major health threat, especially for those with respiratory problems. Your life is rare. Don't let it end due to polluted air. If you don't treat the air around you well, the whole earth will become a hell. So, we have to purify the air to get fresh air. Now I am introducing our third presenter, Suraya. She will discuss about the different methods of air purification and also discuss about the devices that are commonly used in purifying the air.
Now we have to know some methods of air purification. An air purifier or air cleaners is a device which removes contaminant from the air in a room to improve indoor air quality. These devices are commonly marketed as being beneficial to allergy sufferers and asthmatics and at reducing or eliminating second-hand tobacco smoke. The most common air purifier are number 1 is sedimentation chamber, number 2 cyclone separator, number 3 venturi scrubber, number 4 dry electrofilter, number 5 or last one is wet electrofilter. The first one is sedimentation chamber. It is the oldest and simplest method of removing particles from a gas. Pollutants are removing by reducing the velocity of the gas stream to allow particles to settle out under the influence of gravity. The second one is cyclone separator. A cyclone is a centrifugal separator where the particles are thrown as a result of their mass by this centrifugal force to the outside. It is double vortex. The third one is venturi scrubber. The venturi scrubber is designed to effectively use the energy from a high velocity gas stream. It has three sections: converging, through, and diverging section. Number 4, dielectrofilter. Fixed or liquid particles in gas flow are charged negative in an electric field caused by discharge electrode. The separated particles can be captured with positive charge, collecting electrodes or electors. The number 5 and last one is wet electrofilter. The wet electrofilter works on the same principle as the dielectrofilter, except it has been developed from the water-soluble aerosols, which are hard to separate with a dielectrofilter. The wet electrofilter have been developed from the removal of water-soluble aerosols.
Okay. Day by day, increasing population can cause air pollution. Air pollution is one of the top 5 risk factors for world health. This fact is well documented that over 4 million deaths attributable to outdoor air pollution in 2016. If you polluted the air, air will definitely pollute you. Air is not a joke. It will make you choke. So be a part of solution, not the part of pollution. The best solution are stop, reduce and prevent the air pollution. There are many acts on controlling air pollution from government. We have to follow these acts and also learn how we can prevent air pollution. Now I am introducing our fourth and the last presenter, Farhana. She will discuss about the various acts and also give us ideas to prevent air pollution.
Now we have to know the different acts on air pollution. For controlling air pollution, there are so many acts and rules are present. The most important are Air Pollution Control Act, the Air Act, and Environment Protection Act. Now, the first one is the Air Pollution Control Act 1955. It was the first federal legislation involving air pollution. This act provided funds for federal research in air pollution. It was passed in 1955. The second one is the Air Act 1981. It is an act of the Parliament of India to control and prevent air pollution. The law was amended in 1987. This was the first attempt by Government of India to prevent air pollution. The third one is Environment Protection Act 1986. It is the act of Parliament of India in the wake of Bhopal gas disaster. The act is under Article 253 of our Constitution. The act passed in March 1986 and it came into force on 19th November 1986. But if we, the citizens of India, will not take any responsibility, the air pollution never be controlled. Now, we are presenting a short drama on this topic by Kulsum and Ishani. Please watch.
তো স্টুডেন্ট, তোমরা সব আজকের টপিকটা বুঝতে পেরেছো তো, বায়ু দূষণ? তো যে সমস্ত ডাউট থাকবে সেগুলো আমাকে নেক্সট ক্লাসে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে। ওকে, নাও আই এম এন্ডিং হিয়ার। বাই, হ্যাভ আ গ্রেট ডে। মনি, চা দিয়ে যাও, মাথাটা বড্ড ধরেছে এই অনলাইন ক্লাস করে।
এতক্ষণ ছেলে মেয়েদের বায়ু দূষণ পড়ালে, আর এখন তোমার নিজের হাতে সিগারেট।
কি বলতে চাইছো তুমি?
সেরকম কিছু নয়, কি বলতো, আমাদের দেশে তো কত আইন কানুন আছে বায়ু দূষণ নিয়ন্ত্রণ করার জন্য, কিন্তু সেই আইন কানুন আইনের খাতাতেই পড়ে আছে, বাস্তবে কিছুই হচ্ছে না। আমরা যদি নিজেরা সচেতন না হই তাহলে আইন আসবে আর যাবে। সিগারেটটা ছেড়ে দাও না।
ঠিকই তো, এইভাবে তো ভেবে দেখিনি। তো আজ থেকে no cigarette।
Now come to the prevention. To prevent air pollution, we have to first implement afforestation. The second one, turn off the light when not in use. Third one, avoid using crackers in festival. Fourth one, recycle and reuse. Fifth one, say no to plastic. Sixth one, reduction of forest fire and smoking. Seventh one, use filters for chimneys. Eighth one, use fan instead of AC. And the last one is using public transport. Here I am not explaining these points because we have made a surprise video for all of you. But remember, we must have to follow this. Now enjoy the video we made.
To save our atmosphere and environment, we have to follow this point.
Afforestation helps in controlling air pollution. Planting more trees increases the oxygen level in the air, and as the main cause of air pollution is increased carbon dioxide emissions. The carbon dioxide emitted gets converted into oxygen, and hence afforestation helps in controlling air pollution.
Turn off the light when not in use. The energy that the lights take also contribute to air pollution. Thus, less consumption of electricity can save energy. So, use energy-saving fluorescent lights to help the environment.
Using of crackers. Crackers that we used in festivals to celebrate, it causes air pollution and also it is harmful to health. So we have to reduce using of crackers in festivals to prevent air pollution.
Recycle and reuse. Recycling prevents the emission of many greenhouse gases and water pollutants and save energy.
No to plastic. As plastics are not decomposed into soil, we burn it. But the burning plastic releases toxic gases like furan, dioxin, mercury, etc. So we should say no to plastics.
Reduction of forest air and smoking. Forest air is the less amount of carbon dioxide, black and brown carbon in the atmosphere that affects air quality, and smoking also causes air pollution. So we should reduce it.
The gases that is emitted from the fireplace in homes and factories are extremely dangerous for the air. The use of filters in chimneys will help to reduce the effect of harmful gases in the air. Use fan instead of air conditioner. The usage of AC takes a lot of energy and emits a lot of heat that is bad for the environment. So we should use fan instead of AC.
Public transportation can help cities to reduce smog and to decrease health risk.
So we have to remember these points to prevent air pollution and to get fresh air to inhale and overall to be healthy. Pollution is unfair. Plant as many trees to breathe clean air. Reduce air pollution if you want to induce your lifespan. So we have to give a care to clean up the air. Here we are ending our content. Thanks to all of you for being with us and giving your precious time. Especially thanks to our Ishita ma'am for guiding us. Now I am requesting to our HOD ma'am to say something regarding our presentation. Please, Rumi ma'am, HOD ma'am, please say something regarding our presentation. I think ma'am got disconnected due to network issue. Now I am providing a link of question answer form on air pollution in the chat box for senior didis and our classmates. Please attend that form and complete within 5 minutes. Now I am requesting to our Nargis ma'am to say something regarding our presentation. I think ma'am could not able to join for some problem. Now I am requesting to our Usha ma'am. Please ma'am say something about our presentation.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. It was really a nice presentation. But the last part I could not properly hear. Probably there are some distractions in the network issues. So your video was, might be very much informative, but somehow I could not able to get it properly. Otherwise, your presentation is extremely well. You tried your level best in the face of your network issues and other issues also by overcoming these hurdles. You have really done a very good job. So congratulations to each of you. And I must say that you must be keeping sustaining all these your efforts for your forthcoming many more projects. Thank you. All the best for your future endeavor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you ma'am for your valuable compliment.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, actually, when you had told me that there was some problem in my phone, that's why I could not this thing, unmute myself. Okay, your presentation was well done. You have done a very good effort, and most of the videos, most of the sound was okay, but yeah, last that, and as Madam Usha told, I also had a problem in going to the last video, could not understand. I don't know what happened. Maybe the network or some probability in the video or audible and your visible both were having some issues, I think. That's what otherwise the presentation was good. It was well done, well covered. You have taken a good effort, and very congratulations to everyone. All the speakers were have taken effort to explain. So on the whole, it was good.
Thank you ma'am for your compliment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I am providing another link in the chat box, which is feedback from for all. Please give your valuable feedback that will encourage us. Now I am requesting our Moumita ma'am for say something regarding our presentation. Ma'am is here, but I think ma'am cannot hear for network issue. So I am requesting our ma'am for say something.
Yeah, good afternoon. Just a
Good
second.
afternoon, ma'am.
I congratulate one and all in the group, and today you got a big gathering. We are 86 now, so it was very good and good effort, and that's all, dear. And then it is an amazing experience being a teacher of such a creative students. I feel proud, and it's very good. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your compliment. Now I am requesting to our Maheshwari ma'am for say something regarding our presentation. I think ma'am could not able to join for some issue. Next, I am requesting to our Rahina ma'am for say something according about our presentation.
Rehna ma'am is not there, I guess.
Yeah, yes, you have.
She is having class, no?
Yes, ma'am. Next, I am requesting to our Monalisha ma'am for say something about our presentation. I think ma'am also could not able to join. Next, I am requesting to our Saida ma'am for say something regarding our presentation. I think Shada ma'am